Hello everyone. Today we are going to say class 3 maths. The topic is how many times. Now let us see the topic how many times. Question number 1. Leggy animals. There are 5 coats. How many legs altogether? So here you can find 5 coats. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each coat is having 4 legs. So totally how many legs are there? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 20 legs. So instead of adding 4 5 times, 5 times 4 is 20. That is 5 4s are 20. Now let us see the question number 2. How many spiders? You can count and write 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 spiders. One spider has dash legs. You can count the legs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 legs. So in all spider, legs are 3 times. So 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Let us see the other next question. Do you know this picture? This is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It has 8 legs. So how many legs altogether 5 octopuses have? Here there are 5 octopuses. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each octopus has 8 legs. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Totally 40 legs are there. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 5 8s are 40. Find the number without counting. We are not going to count. We can find the number. How many flowers in a flower bed? It has 4 columns. How many columns are there? 4 columns. This is column 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 columns. Each column has 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 flowers in each column. Now you can see 4 times 6 flowers. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24, or we can say shortcut 4 6 are 24. Now let us see the second. The flowers are arranged in such a way that let's try another way. The flower has 6 rows. The bed has 6 rows. Now you can see 6 rows are there. This is rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there. All together the flower bed has 6 times 4s. Each row you can see 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 24. Or we can say 6 4s are 24. Now in the same way, how many bottles are these? Dash times dash. That means there are 5 rows. Each row has, you can find 4 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 bottles. How many eggs are there in the tray? Now let us count. There are 5 rows. You can find 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are there. Each row how many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs are there. So 5 times 6. 5 times 6. 5 6 are 30. Totally how many eggs are there? 30 eggs are there. Now let us see the practice. Practice time. Rewrite using the plus sign. 2 multiplied by 5 is written as 2 times 5, or we can say 5 plus 5. Likewise 4 multiplied by 18 is 4 times 18, or we can say 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. So 3 multiplied by 20 is written as 3 times 20. We can say 20 plus 20 plus 20. 8 multiplied by 9, 8 times 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 8 times you have to write. Tell how many times. 9. How many 9s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiplied by 9. 54. How many 4s are there? 5 4s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 4s are 20. Similarly, 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many 8s are there? 3. So you can write 3 multiplied by 8. 24. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 3. 5 3s are 15. Now you can see the answer in the right side. 30 plus 30 plus 30 3 times 30 is equal to 90. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 6 times 7, 6 7s are 42. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, 4 times 12, 4 12s are 48. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6. So the answer is 3 6 are 18. 4 times 10, so 40. 2 is 5 times, 5 2s are 10. 6 is 7 times, so 7 multiplied by 6, 42. Can write the answer easily. Now statement sum. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? Let us write the statement for the first one. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. So total biscuits that Ramu bought, 4 multiplied by 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 biscuits he bought. Second question number D. There are 12 desks in the classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. Each desk has 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of the particular class? Number of desks in the class is 12. Each desk has 4 legs. So 12 4s are 48. So totally 48 legs are there in the desk. Sabiha brought home 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers were there? Now let us see. Sabiha bought 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. Total number of flowers, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So there were 12 flowers. Last one. One rail coach has 8 wheels. One rail coach has 8 wheels. Number of wheels in 8. How many wheels in all 6 coaches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 coaches are there. So one coach has 8 wheels. So there are number of coaches 6. So total number of wheels 6 8s are 48. How many times 2 in the table? How many times 2? Here 1 time 2. Second you can see 2 times 2. 1 time 2. 2 times 2. Third row you can see 3 times 2. Fourth row you see 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, here 8 times 2, here 9 times 2, lastly 10 times 2, 10 times 2. So just you can find the answer. 1 times 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Like that you can write the answer for all the multiplication. Now jump with me. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. So 0 to 3, then 3 to 6, then 6 to 9, 9 to 12. It jumps like that. Which number will Taru touch? So let us see. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Just you complete it, you will get 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. So you can complete the multiplication table easily. So jumps with 4 steps. Now let us see 4 steps jump. So first 0 to 4, then it will jump 4 to 8, then 8 to 1 2 3 12, 12 to 16. Like that it will jump. 16 to 20, 24. Like that it jumps. Lastly here you can find 60. 15 4s are 60. So it jump up to 60. So here you are going to write 4 table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Like that. 4 4s are 16. 15 4s are 60. Now try jump with 7 table. 7 jumps. First 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, like that. If it jumps, just you can write the table. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, like that. 15 7s are 105. You can find 105. Now stick play, another activity. Mithu had some sticks. She arranged them in such a way like this. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. Then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. How many times it is crossing each other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 times it is crossing each other. Her stick is crossing each other. Now 4 5s are 20. 4 times 5. She arranged the sticks 4 times. Here stick 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertically she arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5. 4 5s are 20. Same another one example. Try making 2 times table with sticks. So 2 times table, 2 table we are writing. So 2 sticks you keep it vertically. First one you keep like this. So 1 2 is 2. Now you can see another stick. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Like that you can complete. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. So 2 table you can use this activity, arranging the sticks in such a way that you will get the multiplication table of 2. Now draw sticks to make table of 6. Here you can find table of 6. Here 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 in vertical order. Then 1 table for writing 1 6 is 6. Next 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, like that answer you can write it. How much do these things cost? 4 toffees cost dash rupees. One toffee is 2 rupees. The cost of one toffee is 2 rupees. So number of toffees 4. So total cost 4 twos are 8. 4 toffees cost 8 rupees. 3 pencil cost dash rupees. One pencil is 10 rupees. So one pencil is 10 rupees. So 3 pencil, 3 tens are 30. So 3 pencil boxes cost 30 rupees. Like that, the total number of, here last you can see number of balloons. 9 balloons cost, one balloon is 5 rupees it is written. So 9 5s are, so 9 5s are 45. So 9 balloons cost 45 rupees. Now 5 toys cost, one toy 4 rupees. So 5 4s are 20 rupees. 5 toys cost 20 rupees. 7 face mask cost dash rupees. One is 3 rupees. One face mask is 3 rupees. So 7 face mask, 7 3s are 21. Complete the following. You know the table. 2 7s are, here you can write the answer 14. 4 9s are 36. Similarly 5 8s are 40. Like that you can complete the table. The answer in the right side. Look at the pattern and complete it. Here it is 3 table, 3 6 9 12 15 and 18, etc, etc. Like that it will go. You can find the answer here. Second one is a 2 table, then 10 table, then 4 table, then 5 table, then 30 table. Just like multiples of 30. 130 is 30, 230 are 60, like that. Now complete the multiplication tree. Here you can find 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Like that you can complete 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So for 12 you will get the factors like this. For 10 you will get like this. 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 3s are also 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 9s are also 18. Similarly 24. For 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 4 6 are 24. How many in all? The almirah has 4 shelves. 1 2 3, there are 4 shelves. How many? There are 5 books in each shelf. 5 books. Here also 5 books, 5 books, 5 books. How many books are there in the almirah? 4 5s are 20 books. Here you can find the answer. A shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would be 3 shirts have? So you can find 3 shirts will have 15. There are 3 shirts. Each shirt has 5 buttons. So 3 5s are 15. The shirt will have 15 buttons. Second one. There are 4 fans. Each fan has 3 blades. Each fan has 3 blades. 1 2 3. Now total number of blades. 4 3s are 12. There are 12 blades in all. Next question. A box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? So 7. There are 7 boxes. Each box has 6 apples. 7 6 are 42 apples. There are, next one. How many corners would have 4 triangles? One triangle is having how many corners? 1 2 3 corners. So 4 3s are 12 corners in all 4 triangles. Some multiplication fact. 8 3s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 7 6s are 42, 5 8s are 40, 6 9s are 54, 5 7s are 35, 6 6 are 10 8s 80, like that you can complete, you can get the answer. Multiplication table of 1, it is very easy. 1 times 1 1, 2 times 1 2 ones are 2, 3 times 1 4 times 1. The answer you can find in the right side. One table, very easy. Next, multiplying big numbers. 2 toffees were given to each student in the class. If there were 34 students in a particular class, how many toffees were given in all? Total number of students in the sum, 34. Number of toffees given to each student. So 34 multiplied by 2. So 34 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. So it is given. So the answer is more than 60. So 40 times 2 is 80. So the answer is less than 80. What is the answer? Correct answer is 68. How can we find 34 times 2? 34 times 2. Here Bharati wrote 34 as 30 plus 4. Then multiply by 2. Second step, 30 multiplied by 4. First you multiply by 2 into 30, 60. 2 into 4, 8. Add these two numbers, 60 and 8. If you are adding, you will get 68. This way you can multiply easily. 34 2s. Some example. In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to each student. Every student getting 4 fruits. The number of students was 23. Find the total number of fruits given. So number of students in the picnic 23. Each student got 4 fruits. So 23 4s are. How to multiply by 23 4s are? 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. 4 multiplied by 4. First you can multiply 4 into 20. 4 multiplied by 20. 4 20s are 80. Next 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. Just add 80 plus 12. 92. The answer is 92. So you can add it and get the answer easily. Multiply, some numbers are given. You can multiply easily. 22 multiplied by 3. 21 multiplied by 4. 22 multiplied by 3. 66. 21 multiplied by 4. 84. 11 multiplied by 55. 20 multiplied by 8. 4. 80. Just you can multiply and get the answer. Another, first guess the answer and then calculate. A flower has 5 petals. A bunch of flowers, 13 flowers are there. How many petals are there in that? So number of flowers in the bunch is 13. Each flower has 5 petals. So 13 multiplied by 5. So 13 can be written as 10 plus 3, 13 and 5. Just multiply 5 into 10. Then 5 multiplied by 3. So add this to 50 and 15. You will get 65. 65 petals in all. A book has 64 pages. What will be the total number of pages in 8 such books? So you can find 60 multiplied by 4 into 8. 60 into 8 multiply 480. 4 into 8 32. Add, you will get the answer 512. 8 into 64. 8 into 64. You will get 512. Students stand in rows in the assembly. There are 6 rows of students. Each row has 17 students. So number of rows 6. Each row has 17 students. So 6 17s are 102. So 17 can be written as 10 plus 6 and 6 you have to multiply. And you multiply 10 into 6 60. 7 into 6 42. Add these two, you will get 102. 102. A design has 3 flowers in it. A piece of cloth has 17 such designs. How many flowers will be in the cloth? Number of designs 17, piece of cloth. Each design has 3 flowers, so 17 threes are. 17 can be written as 10 plus 7 and 3. Just you multiply and add the number 30 plus 21, you will get 51 flowers. How many in 23 dozen? How many things are sold by the dozen? Dozen means 12. For example, bangles, bananas are often sold by the dozen. 1 dozen banana means 12 banana. 1 dozen means 12. 23 dozen banana means 23 multiplied by 12 bananas. Just to multiply 23 and 12. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 and 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So just to multiply these two in the first row, then you multiply by 2 into 20 40, then 2 into 3 6, add all the number 200, 30, 40 and 6. If you are adding, you will get 276. Now try doing 43 multiplied by 13. 43 can be written as 40 plus 3 and 13 can be written as 10 and 3. Now just to multiply these two, and 10 multiplied by 3 you will get 30, then 3 multiplied by 40 you will get 120, then 9 you will get 3 3s are, add all the numbers 400, 120, 30, you will get 559. Practice time. Question number A. This is A. This is B, C, D, E and F. Now first question, 42 multiplied by 23. 42 can be written as 40 and 2. 23 can be written as 20 and 3. Now you multiply, you will get this answer. Second one, 51 multiplied by 13. 51 can be written as 50 plus 1 and 13 can be written as 10 and 3. Add these numbers after multiplying, add these 4 numbers, you will get 663. Like that the sums C you can do, D, all the examples you can find the answer. You can find the answer. Now multiplication pattern, 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, like that you can find. You can write the table easily. The multiplication table is explained in the table given below. Ones digit of all the numbers are in descending order. That is 8, you can find 8, 7, 6. Here it is a descending order. Here you can find the increasing order, ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Ones digit number and a 10th digit number, that adds to 9. Complete the grid by multiplying the number. So you can complete the grid. Look at this cross in your grid. 3, 6, 9, 4, 6, 8. Add the numbers together from top to bottom. So these 3 add 18 you will get. Then from left to right, that means like this you add, that and also answer is 18. Either horizontally adding or like this you add, you will get 18. If you add like this also, you will get 18. So the total is the same. Mark the number 1 to 10 in the same grid in the color. Mark the number 12 to 20 in the another way, another color. Similarly, mark 21 to 30 in the third color. 3 colors they have used. Do you see any color pattern? No, we cannot see any color pattern. Here something is missing. The pattern is not evenly distributed. Now let us see some example. If Ami had 3 cats and each one had 4 legs, you can find 4 legs in cat. How could we find how many legs all the cats had? Now we can find the answer. 4 legs 4 legs, 4 legs, totally 12 legs. So another way to figure out the answer is multiply. Multiplication is a fast way to add equal numbers. Since all 3 cats have 4 legs, so 4 3s are 12. Easily you can get the answer. So 4 legs multiplied by 3 cats, 4 3s are 12. How many legs altogether would 2 boys? One boy is having 2 legs, so 2 boys, 2 2s are. Can you think of a multiplication problem that shows this? Yeah, 2 legs multiplied by 2 boys, 4 legs are there. If a crayon box holds 7 crayon, here there are 7 crayon, there are 2 boxes are there, so you can multiply. Can you think of a multiplication problem that shows this? Yes, 7 crayons multiplied by 2 boxes is equal to 14 crayons are there. If every teacher has 3 books, there are 5 teachers, so how many books do they have? All. Can you think of a multiplication problem that each one is having 3 books? There are 5 teachers, so 5 3s are 15 books. You can get the answer. 5 3s are 15 books. Now if every desk has 1 apple and there are 9 desks are there, how many apples are there in all? So just you can multiply. Can you think of a multiplication problem that shows this? Yes, of course. 1 apple multiplied by 9 desks is equal to 9 apples. So 9 apples. Now 5 sets of 2 each. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 3 sets of 4 each. So 3 sets of 4 each. Set 1. How we can make it is set 1, set 2, set 3. Each set has 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now you can see 3 sets of 3 each. 3 sets of 3 each. You can find 3 3s are 9. 4 sets of 2 each. 4 sets of 2 each. 1 2 3 4 set. Each set has 2. 4 2s are 8. 6 sets of 3 each. 6 sets of 3 each. 3 2 3 4 5 6 set. So 6 3s are 18. 5 sets of 4 each. 5 sets of 4 each. 5 sets. 1 2 3 4 5. Each one has 4. 1 2 3 4. So 5 4s are 20. Thank you.